Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one interview coding question. So this is one of our subscribers was asked this question. You know, what is the problem statement? You are given the current time are in hours, minutes, and seconds format. You are also given n more time values in an array p, where every element p of I is less than are equal to R. So write a program to calculate the time difference between P of I and R and print one of the following messages accordingly. What is the first one here? If the time difference is 0, then print now. If the time difference is in seconds but less than a minute, print X seconds ago. If the time difference is in minutes but less than an hour, print X minutes ago. Ignore the second parts of the difference. If the time difference is hours, print X hours ago. Ignore the minutes and seconds part of the difference. If the value of X is 1, print the word second instead of seconds, hour instead of hours, and minute instead of minutes. It's I mean a little bit easy program only, friends. So let me get into the problem. The program here. First, what he is asking, friends, you are given the current time R actually. Current time R. So just I'm going to take one R, string R equal to, or else you can take current time also, but I'm taking R. So in which format they have given the time frames? HHMMSS format. So just I'm going to take say 01, say 50, and 50 I'm taking. Okay, or else 55 I'm going to take actually. So what is the meaning here? 1 hour, 50 minutes, 55 seconds. So that is the time. So after this, what is taking? You are also given n more time values in the array P. So this one also I'm going to take a string array here, and P equal to, just I'm going to take time here. I'm not taking more value, just I'm going to take only 2 times only. So this is I'm going to take 50. This is I'm going to take say 40 or something like that. Okay. Now we need to find out the difference actually. What is that? This is the current time. This is the array time. So you need to find out the difference between current time and this one, and the same. You have to find out the difference between current time and this one also. So after that, what you need to do? This one. If the difference is 0, then print now. Or if the time difference is seconds, like that, we need to find out. Okay. First of all, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to convert the string into I need to convert this time into total number of seconds actually. How I am going to do this is hours, right? Hours into 60 plus 50 into minutes. I'm sorry, 0 into 1 into 60 into 60. Next plus 50 into 60 plus 55. So I'll get total number of seconds actually. Here also I'll convert the entire hours, minutes, seconds into seconds only. How? 0, 1 into 60 into 60 plus 50 into 60 plus 50. Now I'll find the difference, and based on that difference, I'll check whether now or less than seconds or like that. I'm going to check actually. So for this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take integer some time equal to RSR time equal to convert of R I'm going to take here. So what is the R, friends? R is not a user defined method. So just I'm going to create, it's not a predefined one, it's a user defined. Just I'm going to create one method actually. So this method will take this time. So here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to convert this one into, I'm splitting actually. What is the delimiter I'm using here? This is a delimiter, colon is a delimiter. See here what will be happen, friends. So I'm going to take one string array s equal to r dot split of this one. Now it will be converting into 3 parts actually. In 3 parts, what I'm trying to do, see, I'm returning here. What I'm trying to return here, see, integer dot parse int of s of 0, friends. So that means first I will get 0, 1. So 0, 1 means hours, right? First I need to convert into minutes. After that I need to convert into seconds. So that's why I'm trying to do here like this, into 60 minutes into 60 seconds here. Same, friends. Same. So after that, I need to convert into, I need to convert what is that 50 minutes actually. That 50 minutes into I'm converting into seconds. Anyway, already seconds are there. So directly no need to convert here. Automatically to here. That's it, friends. I think it is clear or not. I mean, if you are not understanding, please let me in the comment section. Very simple, friends. So first I'm converting this. I'm splitting actually. So I'll get 0, 1, 50 and 55. 0, 1 is hours, right? So I'm converting 0, 1 into seconds. So 0, 1 into 60 into 60, you will get seconds. 50 means 50 into 60, you will get seconds. 55 already second, no need to convert it. That's it. So always this convert method, what it will take the time and it will convert into seconds actually. That's it only. So that's it, friends. So after that, what I'm doing here, I'm going to take one for loop here. Why I'm taking for loop here? Because P is array. So that's why I need to check each and every time actually. That's why I'm going to take like this. So I'm going to take a string. Some yes, anything you can take it P. So I'm going to take one, enhanced loop. Like for each loop, I'm going to take here. So after that, just I'm going to take integer P time equal to convert of for each and everything I'm converting into seconds. Now, if you see here, P time is in seconds and R time is also in seconds. That's it. Now I'm trying to find the difference here. So how to find the difference here? Integer difference underscore seconds difference underscore seconds is equal to what is that? So they already given one statement. What is that? P of I is always less than or equal to R. So what I'm trying to do, R time minus P time. That's it, friends. So already R time is in seconds and P time is also in seconds. So finally I will get the difference of seconds actually. So there, so first what I'm trying to do is, so this difference seconds is more than 3600 seconds or not. If the difference of seconds is more than 3006 hours, it is a the difference is hours actually. So what I'm trying to do, first I'm trying to get number of hours. So how to get here? If difference underscore seconds by 60 to 60 like 3600, that means hours actually is greater than 0, then what I'm trying to do here, I'm going to this if condition. In the inside the if condition, what they're telling, friends, if the value of x is 1, then you have to print hour instead of hours. So you have to check, I mean, two more conditions you have to check. What is that? If difference underscore seconds is less than 3600 equal to 1, then what I need to do, system dot out dot println equal to 1, directly no need to directly you can print actually. 1 hour ago you can say. So difference underscore seconds by 300, I mean 3600 plus it's hour, right? Hour. That's it. Else, what is the meaning of else, friends? The difference is not equal to 1. Then what I'm trying to do here? System dot out dot println difference underscore seconds by 3600 plus hours ago. So that's it, friends. So what is that? Just I'm checking for hours actually. If it is not greater than 0, that means what is that? The difference is not 3600, it's less than 3600 only. So that means we'll not get any hours, we will get only the difference is in the minutes only. So that's why what I'm doing here, else if condition I'm going to take. Here what I'm trying to check here. So difference underscore seconds by 60 seconds actually I'm checking. So 60 means minutes you will get it. This is greater than 0, then what I'm trying to do, if difference underscore seconds by 60 equal to 1, then what I need to do, the difference is only 1 second. System dot out dot println, then 1 minute. The difference underscore seconds by 60 plus, so only one, right? So that's why I'm taking minute. So minute ago. Else. What is the meaning of else? It's not 1 minute actually. So system.out.println, say difference underscore seconds by 60 plus what is that, minutes. Here you go. Now that's it, friends. Like this is about the minutes. So if the number of difference is less than 60 seconds, means it's not minutes, only seconds we need to handle it. So that's why just I'm going to take else condition. In else, um, I'm checking actually if difference equal to 0 or not. If the difference is 0, then what I need to do? System.out.print, not difference actually. Difference underscore seconds equal to 0, then what I need to do? Now. Okay. Yes. Now else, just I'm going to take one more difference. Difference underscore seconds equal to 1, then what I need to do here? System.out.println. So difference underscore directly you can put 1 actually, but I'm taking it like this. 1 second ago. Yes, fine. Now, what error you are getting? Oh, spelling mistake, friends. SCCONDS. Okay. Now, now the difference is not equal to 1. Say greater than. Then what I need to do here? So here else system.out.println. See here difference underscore seconds plus seconds. Here we go. I think I covered all the things. Okay, let me check it, friends. Let me check it. So come here, fun as a Java application. 5 seconds ago. So this is 10 minutes ago. Why 5 seconds, friends? What is the difference between this one and this one? Only 5 seconds. That's why 5 seconds. So what is the difference between this one and this one, friends? 10 minutes, like that. Suppose I am giving 2 here. Can you please tell me now? So right click here, run as. Yes, 1 hour ago and 1 hour ago. No, I am not giving this one, just I am giving 3. Then can you please check here? Run as. So Java application. What is this one? Yeah, 2 hours ago. So I mean, we are getting hours, right? So you can ignore minutes and seconds also. So no need to count. What about the seconds and what about the minutes? No need to check it actually. Okay. That's it, friends. Like this is the program. For this program, this is the solution. And please let me know if you have any questions if you have any questions, or if you are not understanding, or else if you have any better solution, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to learn. That's it, friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video.